I want to show you a really cool tool called Calendly. So, have you ever been in the situation where you go back and forth with a client or someone that you want to meet over and over and over again, trying to figure out what time will work for both of you? So, Calendly shows a nice little calendar where you can set the times that you are available. I have a little one joining me here. All right. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so it lets you set up your calendar in a way that you can control what times you are available. So if that's 1 hour a day or several hours on one day a week, you can set that up. So let's get started. Once you sign up for a free account, they do have a free trial for their more advanced features. But once you set up for a free account, you will get kind of a basic setup. And what I want to show is specifically how to edit your availability times. So we're going to go to edit, and here you can see all the information about this page. What we want to do is look more specifically at when people can book to look at our schedule. So this first part is just when invitees can schedule. So you can set 30 days rolling within a range or indefinitely into the future. This next part is your schedule. So if you have a set schedule, you can go in, and I like looking at the list view for this part, and set your schedule. I have here set a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule where I am open kind of regular business hours. You can change this to whatever you want, and you can add multiples. So if on Monday you're open from 9 a.m. to noon, and then let's say maybe like 3 to 7, you can set that up just like that. Now, if you have dates where you're not available on those times, you're going to set up date overrides. And to do that, I like looking at the calendar view, or you can go to this view and click on the plus. So either way, on the calendar view, you would go into one of these dates. So let's say on the 18th, we're going to edit just that date, or you can edit all Mondays. So if you like looking at a calendar view, this is a great way to kind of look at that. In the list view, you would click on the plus and go to the 18th. It will show you that you're available those times, but let's say Martin Luther King, you have the kiddos. So let's say we're going to work early that day. We're going to work from 6 to 8 a.m. and that's it. And so if someone wants to schedule with you really early in the morning, then those are the dates that you're available. And again, you can switch back to the calendar view and see how that looks there. So you can do that throughout for your calendar. And then the duration is how long you want your meeting to last. You have certain kind of set ones, 15, 30, 45, and 60, or you can do a custom duration. And then I like the buffers too, because a lot of times you want to prep for a meeting beforehand. So you can do a buffer before the meeting and after the meeting. That way nobody can schedule back to back and not leave you with times to prep or to just hold your breath for the next one. And again, you can set this to whatever you want, up to 3 hours, and as well for after the event. So we'll save, The rest of the options I think are pretty self-explanatory. They're all just additional options. I think one to look at would be maybe the invitee questions if you have specific questions for your client or for the person that's setting up the meeting. Workflows is a pro feature. You can set up cancellations and email reminders, which is always helpful. And then you can also display a custom link for a confirmation page. So I am going to change that here. I'm going to copy this order form page and collect that. So we'll do that. And then collect payments is also a pro feature, but if you charge per hour for your services or something like that, then you can definitely charge on the page itself so that you're not trying to collect payments later. So we'll save and close. Oh, it's a busy household this morning. Okay, so let's take a look at our page. Here's our page. And here's our scheduling times. If we go to the 18th, you'll see that I'm just available these 2 hours. Otherwise, Monday, Wednesday, Friday is my normal schedule. Someone can also go in. They will automatically recognize what time zone they're in. So it will automatically do all of that conversions. But if they want to manually go to a different time zone, they can also do that. I love that it just automatically changes the time zone. So you don't have to worry about, oh, what time zone are you in? Okay, that's a difference of blah, 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 and doing that. So let's do a test one. Let's do the 18th at 6. And then we'll enter in our name. I have some additional options on this one because I know not everyone would like to do a Zoom call. So maybe a phone call and then they enter their number or somewhere else. I'm not sure where that would be, but I have it on there as an option. On the Zoom, there is an integration with Zoom, so it will automatically create an appointment. And we'll just go to schedule event. And it will schedule and then it will redirect to my orders page so that they can look at what's available. All right, well, that is my little demonstration for Calendly. Again, it's a great little product. Let's log out and I'll show you the pricing. The pricing is very decent. I think it's $7 or $8 a month for the pro, but their free is just fine. Get a little bit of markup. A little bit of markup. It's a little bit more if you pay monthly, but you get a little bit of markup on the page that it's Calendly, but especially in the coronavirus life, we are all used to that. An advanced feature that is available on the free plan, but I didn't go through, is that you can also connect the calendar. So if you have a calendar in iCal or Google Calendar, then you can connect that calendar and those times will show that it's busy already. Otherwise, it will know all the appointments that you already have set up. But if you don't have a calendar, then there's nothing to pull in. Let's see, you can see the differences here. You can do more options for pulled availability and group events. You can customize your emails, send SMS notifications, and so forth. But everything that we did, except for maybe the redirect. All right, so everything we did except for the redirect is available in the free plan. And I also want to show, you can embed it on a page on your website with just a little bit of code that they give you, super easy. And you have a nice little embed straight into your website, except that I changed the URL. So now it doesn't work. So gotta go fix that. But otherwise you can see that's the freebie little markup there, but it's a great little tool, and it will help you automate things and hopefully save you a little time as a busy mompreneur. All right. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.